This is Alex, the rail fanning redneck here. We have a CSX autorack train. It sounds like his engines are really nutsed up, so he's going to be going through Folkston. It's an autorack train, so it's Q238. Ew, a Dash 3 is leading. Oh well, it is a train, so I like trains. Oh, I'm at the start of the crossing, so then I'm not going to get a cool horn until after it passes. I love that Knots 8 though. To have the SD40-2 trailing when that ugly piece of crap leads. Oh look, there's drones in the video. Wow. Imagine if one of those things lands on the train. There's several $100s wasted when that thing hits a train. Autorack train. Oh, I already see the end of it, so. Our 5th train. Another dual EMD power. That's interesting. Southern Pacific, Union Pacific, Conrail, 3 Union Pacifics. Big Kansas City Southern autoracks at the back. There goes CSX Q238 going, I think he's going to Louisville, Kentucky, if I'm not mistaken. From Folkston, Georgia, this is Alex the Rail Fanning Redneck, and I'm out.